How's it going, guys? Bradley here with Precision Turbo, and I want to talk a little bit about an option for our turbochargers that a lot of customers don't know we have. These are the jet fighter covers, made specifically to give your car that jet fighter sound, all the way to the 68mm. They are an option outside of purchasing the turbo, as well as an option for when you purchase the turbo. So if you already have a turbocharger and it's utilizing an S cover, you can purchase this cover separately for $391. So if you have any questions at all, give us a call, and as always, stay boosted.